So with the vehicle security, there's really three different categories. There are car alarms, there are tracking systems, and there are immobilizers. And the Ravelco is an immobilizer, and it's really the best category because it does what people want. It prevents the vehicles from being stolen. So with car alarms, they make noise. It's supposed to make noise when somebody breaks into the vehicle. It doesn't always happen. And they're very easy to defeat. You can just unplug the brain and they shut off. The vehicle will start up, you can drive off with it. All the wires are under the dash. They're not terribly effective security. Tracking devices, they're good for getting back what the thieves don't want, but it won't keep the car from being stolen in the first place. So what makes the Ravelco so special? To really understand that, you have to understand how thieves go about stealing cars. They want to get in and get out in 3 to 5 minutes. Every other system they encounter is quickly defeated in that amount of time. The wires are underneath the dash, all the connections are there. With the Ravelco installed, we make all of our connections inside the engine compartment and we bury those wires. So a thief doesn't have time or resources to try to get by what it is that we do and allow them to drive off with the vehicle. We do what police call target hardening. We make it too hard for thieves to steal your car, so they quit and go steal somebody else's. So the Ravelco is just as easy to use as it is effective at preventing auto theft. When you get in the vehicle, you insert the plug, that allows the vehicle to start. When the plug is in, you start the car either with a push button or with the key, and that allows the vehicle to start. You can drive away. Whenever you get to where you're going, you turn the vehicle off, remove the plug, attach it to your ignition key, and off you go. When the plug is removed, the car cannot start, it will not run. At California and Arizona Ravelco, we believe no vehicle should be stolen. The Ravelco's been around for over 40 years. We sold over 5 million units worldwide, and we've never had a vehicle stolen by bypassing the Ravelco. So the best calls that we get are customers, either businesses or individuals. They call us up and say, hey, I want to let you know your product worked. It saved my vehicle last night. Yeah, they did some damage that I'm upset about, but the great news is they didn't get away with the vehicle. We kept it. It stayed in our hands. And that's really what makes me tick. You know, what's wonderful about the Ravelco is it works.